I'm literally flying. Wow. Brakes are doing me good, people. They're doing me solid. Let's see what this is all about. I don't know if we're gonna get up this or not, but we're gonna give her a shot. Okay, this is definitely like a dirt trail. This is definitely a, it's not a dirt bike, but we're giving her a shot. All right, so we're in gear 3. We're pedaling, and we're going up. This is a freaking steep hill too. This is like probably 12 to 14% grade, and it's a dirt road, so that's interesting. All right, we're gonna go on pedal assist 5. And not a dirt bike, people, but doesn't mean I can't make it one. So I was actually thinking about getting a suspension seat post, like I said, and then maybe even like some dirt tires. You know, like why not? This thing has got such freaking capabilities. I'd love to like take it places, you know? Hey there. Oh my God, this is amazing, people. I'm literally like in the sky. I'm literally in the sky right now. Are you guys seeing this? How freaking high up we are? Holy crap. Wow. Yeah, I gotta get me some suspension, people. Who even knew this existed up here? Are you guys seeing this crap? I didn't know that. There's people all over the freaking place. Clearly everybody else knew about it. Wow. You're already on top of the world, and then you're going up even higher. Like, really? Okay, now I'm freaking cooking, people. Look at this shit. I'm literally flying. Wow. Loving me my Luna. Somebody said in one of the forums I was reading about his Lunas, including this one, he said, I have 4 Lunas, and each one of them is its own masterpiece. And I think I kind of know what he's talking about. This bike is literally unfreaking believable. Holy crap. Wow. Man, how much higher do these freaking trails go? I'm already literally in the clouds, people. Wow. Should I go back? No. No. We're up in the hills in Los Angeles. We're flying up a freaking hill on our little freaking folding bike, and it just keeps going, people. Like, I don't understand where these trails are going. Needless to say, this bike is like all freaking kinds of sturdy, like Jesus, like just strong, you know? Going over all this crap, no bouncing, no gearing, no rattling, no nothing. It's just solid. It's just a freaking beast. This is just a folding bike. Imagine you get like one of their mountain bikes, like the full suspension X1 Enduro. Like that thing would be a freaking beast. Wow. All right, this literally keeps going. I have no idea where this is going, but my God, this just goes and goes and goes and goes. This is like a freaking playground out here, people. Damn. Wow. I really shouldn't be doing this right now. Really pushing my luck, but man, it's just amazing back here. I'm in love with these trails. Fortunately, they didn't pump the tires up all the way, and I think that's helping me a lot because there's a little bounce in the tires, you know, which is a very good thing for what I'm doing right now. Wow, some of these trails are just steep as, oh my God. Hey there. Hi. People are like, oh my God, is he on a folding bike? And is he like up in the clouds like us? You guys seeing this? Way the frick up here. Alright, not a dirt bike by any stretch of the imagination. But is it working? Yes, it is. Do I feel like I could very easily put a suspension seat post on this and maybe get a more comfortable seat, and get dirt tires. Yeah, I do. And I feel like that's what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna have the only Luna folding bike in the world that's off-road, and that's what I'm gonna do. We're going back, people. We're backing it. Wow, very impressive. Very impressive, people. All right, quick little rest stop just to check her out. You guys seeing this? That's the bike. Freaking 52 volt battery, 12 amp hour. It's got a mid-drive 750 watt labeled Luna. It's got these really cool Mosso pedals. It's got a freaking brilliant color display. I don't know if you can see that right now. Brilliant color display. And it's got really high-end gearing that I need to read about. Anyway, look at this crap, people. We are up here. We are freaking up here, and way down there is LA. Way down there. Huh. All right, people. We're gonna give her a go. We're gonna keep this going, okay? Man, this is a nice place to ride. Who knew? Definitely gonna be coming back here. It's unbelievable. And now I'm just throttling it, and I'm in gear 6. There's 9 gears on this thing. Again, the gear you're in helps give you the torque or the high end that you need. So if you want to go up like a really steep hill, you got to be in like gear 1. And I'm in like gear 6, so I've got some decent top end and still some pretty decent torque, I will say. Yeah, that's kind of crazy if you think about it. I'm in gear 6 and I'm throttling it, and I still have torque to go up these hills, which are probably 8% grade, and it's dirt. Like, wow, people. I don't think you understand. So I've ridden, I think, 14 different bikes now, 1.4. And mid-drives, mid-drive hubs, etc., right? And I've never been on a bike of this ilk, I'll call it. Meaning the quality of this bike. Like, my God. So I had a Swagtron, right? EB7 Plus, foldable. I still have an Aventon Cinch, foldable. I have a really good mountain bike, mid-drive. It's kind of an off-brand, but it's based on a Fuji frame. I have a Super 73. I've ridden a Segway X160. I've ridden a Himaway Cruiser. I've ridden all the different Super 73 bikes, from the R to the S2 to the S1 to the Z1. I've ridden the Segway X160. I've ridden a Kaysen Cabin, a Kaysen K6, a Kaysen Step Through. I don't even know how many that is anymore, but this bike, this little folding bike, is the highest quality, bar none. Trust me on that. Damn. Just its power, its capabilities, it's just, you know, stability, its strength, its durability, it's, wow. I don't know, people. It's pretty freaking crazy. Okay, now I'm gonna give you guys the view. Ready? This is the freaking view. Okay? All kinds of dogs up here. This is what we've come up. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's a really freaking far drop down there. Really freaking far. Okay? Anyway, hey there. Hi. Hi. Hey. Making friends with the doggies. All right. Well, actually, the video, what I just showed you down there, the green, That was the golf course below me, and that's still like 600 feet up from the base. So I only showed you like a small little drop, believe it or not. The highway is way in the distance. I don't know if you can even see it. That's kind of where I started, like way by the highway. All right, now I gotta figure out, am I going left or am I going right? I honestly don't know. I'm thrown, people. I'm thrown off by all this amazing technology that I've got beneath me. What is this? Whoa, shit. Yeah, this is not where I want to be. Wow. No good. Ain't happening. So yeah, that was a slight wrong turn there. God, this is fun, people. I wish all of you could afford one of these, and I wish you all get one. If you could afford one, get one. It's 1,800 bucks. Again, not cheap. I know that. You know, but on the spectrum of e-bikes, this is pretty cheap. But 1,800 bucks, a lot of money actually. So, for some people. So, if you can afford one, I mean, this is the bike to get, people. Jesus Christ, you're not going to get a higher quality bike than this. From top to bottom, every little speck of this bike, even down to the freaking pedals. This is the bike. All right. Brakes are doing me good, people. They're doing me solid. See how steep this is? I came up this. This is probably at 10% grade. In the dirt. All right. We freaking did it. Unbelievable.